Good morning! We are now on the way to Germany again because it is nice weather. So, ating i-enjoy yung every moment ng magandang weather. The sun is shining. Ito yung Linz am Rhein. Pero kung saan ako nakastand ay creep ito. So beautiful place. Mag-boat kami. Ito ang sakyan namin. Other side is creep. Let's all welcome in Oakenfels. Dito tayo mag-start ng ating hiking. Ito yung Rheinsteig Roads. Papunta tayo nito sa Epeler Ley. Ito yung view natin sa ating ruta. Almost 10 kilometers sa araw na ito ang ating nilakbay kasama si Bunso dahil si ate ay hindi sumama sa amin dahil may exam pa siya. We will go to Epelerley. Freedom! Rheinsteig Road. Ayan, paakyat pababa na naman tayo. We started our route in Oakenfels and now we are in Kasbach. So beautiful. The bridge in Kasbach. Smoklar!